Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ishna and I'm back with yet another haul video, and this time it is again body mists from Bath and Body Works India. I have 4 body mists to talk about in detail, so if you're interested in knowing everything about these body mists, make sure you stay till the end. Now before I talk about the first fragrance, I'd just like to point out one thing. Bath and Body Works is a drugstore brand in the US. However, it is not quite so in India. On the contrary, it is quite expensive. Taking it from the perspective that these are body mists, these are quite expensive. So if you have been watching me from my first video, you would be knowing I'm a huge fan of fragrances, and so if I want to try out a brand, I first check out their fragrances. In case I like their fragrances, then I move on to other products that they might offer. That is why I purchased body mist first. So the first body mist that I'm going to talk about is this one. This is called 1000 Wishes. It has a stunning packaging. I have already written a review of this in my blog. I'll link it in the description box below, just in case you want to check that out. Now this one has this beautiful cherry-like packaging. It's a transparent bottle. It's a stunning bottle, if you can see. And this lid is not very sturdy. I mean, hello Bath and Body Works, if you're watching, I'm sure you won't, but still if you're watching, the amount you charge for a body mist, this needs to be better. I mean, it might be a drugstore brand in the US, it's not a drugstore brand in India, or else lower your prices, just saying. So this is a plastic cap, but not quite sturdy. Coming to the fragrance, the sprayer is wonderful. It emits beautiful fine mist. And this fragrance, the only reason I am making this video is because I love their fragrances. Otherwise, given the price point, I have to think a lot before placing an order. Now this has a beautiful fruity, woody kind of note. I checked out Fragrantica where the notes were mentioned, but this is for the perfume variant for this body mist. I'm expecting and I'm hoping these are the same notes. So I'll quickly read out the notes. Pink Prosecco, Sparkling Quince, Crystal Peonies, Gilded Amber and Amaretto Crime. I have no clue what any of these notes smell like, but together they come together to create a wonderful concoction. I mean, this is a stunning fragrance. I cannot take it away from it. I mean, it has, though the notes doesn't say this has vanilla, but I get a hint of vanilla in this. Yeah, definitely. Maybe because of the amber note, this has some warmth to it. Overall, a great body mist. This body mist was launched in 2014. It has 236 ml of product. Yes, this is quite a big bottle. If you can, I mean, judging from the size, you can make out this will last you for quite few months. And this retails for rupees 12.95. But don't worry, I didn't pay the full price. If you know me already, then I don't like paying full price for anything. So I bought it when there was a 50% off on the Bath and Body Works website, and I got it at a much lesser price. I don't remember the price. I'll try to give all those information on screen. The only bummer in this huge bottle and at this huge price is that this doesn't last. I mean, for a body mist, I can understand this is a body mist. I'm not expecting an enormous performance out of this, but at least 2 hours. I mean, given the price point, this you have to carry with you. There are smaller bottles available as well, and Bath and Body Works is now available on Nykaa as well, so you can check out. There are smaller bottles and this is the full size bottle, but the longevity is terrible. I mean, I expect more when I'm paying this much amount. So despite the longevity, will I recommend this? Yes, it is because of the scent. But please, Bath and Body Works, you need to up your game for the longevity part, or else reduce your prices, like I said. Moving on to the next one. This is Fresh Gardenia. Now it has a beautiful green and white bottle. This is quite reminiscent of the gardenia flower itself. The same issue with the lid. It's not sturdy enough, that's all. This one, the sprayer is The sprayer is also good. I mean, all the sprayers are good. This one is straight up floral, not only floral, white florals, and also musky a bit. Now the notes for this are a honeysuckle, white gardenia, of course, cashmere musk. Now this was launched in 2016, and this is a stunning fragrance. Out and out, I love it. The same issue with the longevity is here as well. It will not last you long enough, at least, I mean, after 1 hour or 1.5 hours, you have to go and apply this. So you will have to carry this around with you. This is the only bummer given the price point and the quantity. All of these have 236 ml. All of them retail for $12.95. But however, I got it at 50%, all of these. Moving on to the third one. This is In the Stars. The packaging of Bath & Body Works products are stunning. I mean, they justify the name. They have great names and they have great packaging. From the sticker point of view, I'm saying, I'm not talking about this lid. Although this one has a good lid. See, I had to apply force to take it off, and that is exactly what the packaging should be. This is supposed to be tight shut so that you pull it off so that your fragrance stays intact. Now this is a wonderful blend of musky and woody fragrance. It's warm, definitely woody and musky. I'll quickly read out the notes. It has got a sparkling blend of starflowers, sandalwood, musk, sugared tangelo, white agarwood and radiant amber. Now this one, has a citrus element to it, also a bit powdery, musky, towards the hint of having oud in it. If you're not aware, oud is a very hard component. It's a very strong one. So this is not for mild noses. So if you are looking for sweet fragrances, you should pick this. And if you're looking for floral fragrances, you should pick this. But something stunning, irresistible during the winters, this should be the pick. In the Stars. Finally, I have one in a million. This fragrance, best of the lot for me, and the name suits it. This is one in a million. Amazing fragrance. This one also has a transparent cap, slightly sturdier. The cap for this one is the best though. The spray emits very nicely, like I have already said. And the fragrance, my god. This is to die for. For me, this is my favorite, followed by Gardenia and 1000. I love all actually. Which one should I pick? Everything has a specific season or a mood associated. This one though is an all-rounder. You can wear it throughout the year and for daytime, nighttime, irrespective. This is great fragrance. It's a bit delicate, a bit feminine, a bit floral, musky, a bit spicy. I mean, it's a great fragrance. I can't rave enough how great this is and how much I love this fragrance. I'll quickly read out the notes to you. It has got white florals but with a twist to it, as they have mentioned in Bath & Body Works website. This has got jasmine extract, tuberose oil, white gardenia, pink pepper and cashmere musk. This one is launched in 2019 and I think by far what I have tried from Bath & Body Works, these 4 body mists, I love this the most, and I will highly recommend you to try this one. If you at all try any of these from Nykaa or Bath & Body Works, make sure you try this one at least. I mean, this is great. So if I have to sum up how I feel about Bath & Body Works body mists, all I would say is they smell good, they don't last long, they give you a big bottle and they're expensive. But above everything, which I cannot ignore, is the price point. I mean, I checked while doing research. In US, these retail from something around $13 to $16. And in India, they start from $12.95. I mean, hello, please. The price point is something that should be brought down, I feel, because they don't last long. Had they been endowed with immensely strong lasting power, I was ready to spend this money, even at 50% off. If I get it at 800 as well for a body mist, these are expensive. Yes, the quantity you get is quite a lot, and it will last you for some months because you will have to reapply this continuously. So it's not that it will last you for ages. So If I recommend it from the fragrance perspective, I will, because I love the scents. Of course, I can't take that away. All of these smell great, but the price point, longevity, these are bummers, big bummers in this body mist range. You can check Nykaa or Bath & Body Works. I'll leave the links in the description box. Nonetheless, in case you want to try out these fragrances, I would suggest go for the mini size bottle. In case you like the scents, then invest in the bigger one. Since I purchased these from the Bath & Body Works website, they had a cutoff mark that you need to reach in order to ensure you get free shipping. So I bought the full sizes of these, but on Nykaa there is no such limitation. So you can check out Nykaa and see if you can get the smaller bottle. Those retail for something like rupees 595 or something. Still better deal, and you get to try out the fragrances as well. So with that, we have come to the end of this video. In case you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the like button, share it with your friends, comment in the comment section if you have used any of these fragrances from Bath & Body Works or you wish to, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future updates. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye.